If you are a home-based business entrepreneur, or if you're considering becoming one, this could be your lucky day. I will tell you why in a minute. You see, some 20 years ago when I started in the HBB industry, things were very different. We didn't have internet, emails, mobile phones, conference calls, webinars, etc. We didn't even have CDs or DVDs. We used to spend hundreds of dollars a month on VHS tapes, brochures, audio cassettes and postage, sending them to prospects, most of which we never got back. I was on the phone day and night. It was as if the phone had grown onto my head, and it produced some very impressive phone bills. I was on the hunt for qualified prospects to invite them to our business opportunity meetings. The qualifications were easy. So long as you could walk upright and fog a mirror, you were qualified. I was there for every meeting, watching the growing circles on the whiteboard week in and week out, while my bank account and my number of friends were shrinking rapidly. Though finally, at the end, my perseverance paid off, and against all odds, we, my business partner and I, became a success story. For over a decade, we enjoyed a quality of life that most people only dream of. There was one thing though that bothered me a lot for all of those years. It made me sad to see the many hundreds of people that I'd worked with personally who, although they tried their hardest and followed the plan, still success did not come their way. In fact, only a very small percentage of my fellow HBB entrepreneurs enjoyed the success that I had. I lost count of how many systems we tried over the years, yet nothing really improved that low success rate across the board. But I knew there must be a better way. When the internet came about, I thought that that was the game changer we were all waiting for, and it did change the game, but not to the degree that we were hoping for, as the overall success rate was only marginally improved. An old friend of mine from the industry had very similar thoughts, and he was researching internet marketing, where the success rate was very similar to the network marketing arena. We decided together to get to the bottom of this and to come up with a solution, if at all possible. We spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses, seminars, online programs and software. We subscribed to many platforms, systems and coaching programs. We learnt a lot, yet we were not satisfied as nothing we tried met our 4 criteria. 1. The system has to work in every type of home-based business, that is MLM, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, etc. 2. It has to ensure a cash flow positive status within 60 to 90 days of starting without having to learn a bunch of new skills. 3. It had to work without phone calls or meetings and without relying on the recruiting of friends or family. 4. The system had to have its own income source without an upper limitation of earning. At the end, we concluded that nothing really fit the bill, and we had to develop our own system, integrating the best that we'd learned into a single platform. And that's what we did. We are convinced that we have the solution, and that's why we said it may be your lucky day. Naturally, you might not share our enthusiasm yet, but what if we're right? What if we really have figured out how to drastically improve the success rate in the home-based business industry? Well, my friend, the ball is in your court now. You owe it to yourself.